Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken fried steak. You will need 2 cube steaks, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1½ cups of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 3 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 1/4 teaspoons of salt, and canola oil for frying. In a dish, combine your flour and baking powder. Add the onion powder, then 2 teaspoons of your black pepper and 2 teaspoons of your salt. Now add the paprika and garlic powder, then mix until well combined. In a separate dish, combine your buttermilk and egg, then whisk until well combined. Dredge your steak in the flour, then the egg mixture, then again in the flour, then place it on a wire rack. Heat your oil to 350 degrees, then fry your steak for 4 minutes on each side. After 8 minutes, remove the steak from the pan, then set it aside until later. Remove most of the oil from your pan, leaving 5 tablespoons. Then add 5 tablespoons of your seasoned flour and whisk until well incorporated. Now add the milk and continue to whisk until your gravy has thickened. Season your gravy with the remaining 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Thanks to my subscribers for choosing this week's recipe. If you have a recipe you'd like to see, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello.